Hi, my name is Brandon Drake, and I'm a functional nutrition coach and a therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine. So today I just want to give a quick, general, high-level overview of what types of services I provide at heartfulfoods.com. So as a functional nutrition coach, I actually offer a free webinar on a weekly basis. And usually I talk about the connection between the food and your overall health. And I talk about different ingredients, whether it's from soda to sugar to carbohydrates. I really get down to the details of what types of foods are actually good for you, and I cover some of the common inflammatory foods that you should stay away from and why. And I really dig deep into the reason behind that. And because I think I'm very knowledgeable in that, because I've been helping people with their health for some time now, and I've been using the food as medicine strategy. And also too, I think as a functional nutrition coach, and also too as a therapeutic chef, I'm able to combine both of those skill sets to become really valuable to my customer. So even those people that join my free webinar, and if you're on my website right now, down below there's a link to my webinar where you could read more information of the current topic that I'll be talking about. But people that join my webinar, they will actually get a free ebook called Healthy Delicious Energy Boosting Recipes. But if you can't attend live, that is totally okay. You will get a free webinar recording the following day in your email inbox so that you can listen at your own pace. And also too, not only as a functional nutrition coach, what I do as a coach is I basically lead these online cleanse programs. I call it the Vitality Cleanse, and I call it Vitality because essentially Vitality is energy and strength, and help people to restore their energy and strength so that they could function at optimal levels. And also too, they also lose weight naturally. And what I do is, this is not a fad diet that I implement. It's actually a lifestyle that you're able to learn and apply for the rest of your life. You know, a lot of these current, fads or diets out there, they're only temporary. If you're interested in only reaching a temporary goal, then you're not the type of customer that I'm looking for. Now, if you're interested in thriving and growing and being healthy long term for a very, very long time, then I'm the type of person that is going to continue to educate you so that you could go off independent of me so that you could thrive for the rest of your life. That is really my goal, to basically equip you with the right knowledge, whether it's in food preparation, in nutrition, so that you could continue to thrive. And these are skills that I said that last a lifetime beyond my 3-week Vitality Cleanse program. So again, I try to provide value by doing the health webinars, by actually doing the free health webinars and doing the Vitality Cleanse program. But like I said, before doing anything, please come to my free webinars, and you can get to know me, I can get to know you, and you can ask questions after the webinar, because I respect everybody's time. Want to make sure I get done within an hour, and then questions could roll out and I'll be able to answer those. And also too, like I said, as a therapeutic chef, I'm able to create menus for people, and basically those menus are customized and personalized according to the person's health conditions and whatever food allergies or sensitivities they have. But once again, because I have the combination of knowledge of food preparation, of culinary skills, hard to pronounce, and of the nutrition background in each of the ingredients and how the body functions to support a life filled with vitality, meaning energy and strength, that I'm a very valuable person to help you. And look, I'm very passionate and motivated to continually teach you, and also too, I learn from all my clients, and I'm always constantly trying to get better when it comes to my overall health and wellness, and I strive so much and so hard in order to make sure that my clients reach their preferred goals. So if you have any questions, go to heartfulfoods.com. My contact form is on my webpage, and you can ask me whatever questions. And also too, like I said, all my current information, my current webinars, and my Vitality Cleanse program is on my webpage of heartfulfoods.com on the very front page, because all the latest things are there. And if I see you, I definitely look forward to getting questions from you, because I am always open to continue to just be available to people that are interested. So again, my name is Brandon Drake, and I'm a functional nutrition coach and a therapeutic chef at heartfulfoods.com, where food is medicine. Peace.